the University for Degree Apprenticeships, your path to career success. At the University of Derby, we offer flexible apprenticeships from Level 2 to Level 7, combining real-world experience with education in fields like leadership, engineering, health, and policing. What is an apprenticeship? Earn while you learn, gain job experience alongside degree-level study, and earn a nationally recognized qualification. Apprenticeships are perfect for school leavers or experienced professionals looking to boost their career. Types of apprenticeships. Intermediate apprenticeships Level 2 and Advanced Apprenticeships Level 3 are available at our Buxton and Leek College. Higher apprenticeships, Level 4 and 5, equivalent to foundation degrees. Degree apprenticeships, Level 6 and 7, equivalent to bachelor's and master's degrees. Why choose an apprenticeship? Earn a competitive salary while studying. No student loans, tuition is covered by your employer. Develop in-demand skills like digital and communication expertise. 80% practical learning applied directly to your role. Experience university life with access to campus facilities and student societies. Why choose the University of Derby? Top 15 for course quality and employability. TEF Gold Standard Teaching. State-of-the-art labs and digital tools. Career support for 3 years after graduation. Full university life with student events and social opportunities. How to apply? Find a job, secure an apprenticeship with an employer. Employer offers apprentices. Apply to Derby and join the University of Derby Apprenticeship Program once employed. Get started. Ready to build your future? Contact us today.